How to find a Wi-Fi password on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the Information button right next to the name of your connected Wi-Fi. And then tap on the Password text field. Now in here, you need to verify your identity. Once you have verified your identity, then your password will be revealed in the password text field. From here, you can tap on the copy button to copy it to the clipboard. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.